Today I'm here in Ladybrand in the Free State Province as we are celebrating Mandela's birthday, that is Mandela Day, which is known as globally as Mandela Day. We have decided to come to Ladybrand because of the fact that Ladybrand is in the Free State. We couldn't travel to other provinces, therefore, because I'm in the Free State, I have decided then to come to Ladybrand. Ladybrand is one of those places that is very poor in the province. It's a small municipality. Therefore, ours as employees in government, we must then try and assist places like Ladybrand. I'm here as I'm speaking now at the old age home, where then we came and give some blankets to our old people. We give blankets, we give food, sanitizers, and some of seeds in order for them to be able to plow a vegetable like your spinach and most of the things that they will need, especially now in winter. As I can see here that this place is a very, very, very small place, but we have people who are looking after the old ones here. Therefore, ours is to come and encourage them and say that it's a blessing for them because they look very young, the ones that are looking after the older persons. Therefore, it's a blessing for them to be able to look after the older persons. As a cadre deployed by the African National Congress, and I have been given the responsibility that from now onwards, I need to be in Ladybrand and make sure that I assist the municipalities, I assist the leadership, I assist everyone who is deployed in this area. I therefore will be now and then in Ladybrand and make sure that I assist the leadership of this area in making sure that we try and come up with programs that will help them in fighting poverty in this area. Things that we handed over to the Ladybrand Public School. We handed over about 250 school desks that came from the department. Those are not desks that we have bought from somewhere. Are desks that are being manufactured. We call them eco furniture or eco desks from the department because we have a program that we say is a program that has to do with cleaning of the dams and cleaning of the rivers. So this alien that grow within the waters or within the rivers is the ones that we are using, and then they get processed. And then after being processed, then we can get material that then manufacture those desks. We are manufacturing desks. We are also manufacturing toilets. We are also manufacturing coffins, coffins that we manufacture. Therefore, it is very important that people should know that this department is one department that empowers young people and women. They get training in that field in order for us then to be able to come into partnership with the Department of Basic Education in a way of selling the product to them. But the ones that we brought today, we are not selling to them, but it's a gift from us in celebration of Mandela Day.